Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to remove background in CamScanner. All right, so first off, go ahead and open up CamScanner. Now find the file where you wanted to remove the background. For example, this one. You can click on the three dots or right click on it and then click on open. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and click on edit right here at the top. All right. Wait a bit. And then after that, as you can see here, this one already got a background. Now to remove it, just go to the top tab and look for layout. All right. Click on layout. Now go ahead over to background. Click on it and just make sure that you select no page background. Click on it and after that, you're good to go. You can now go ahead and click on save and continue editing your file. All right. Or if you want to as well, you can just change the background to a color right here, maybe this one. And then again, do not forget to click on save. And that's how easy it is to remove background in CamScanner. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.